Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Binder is switching to cash transactions only, so let's solve this macroeconomics puzzle together. We will find the short-run impact right now. When consumers shift from credit cards to cash for every transaction, they need to hold more physical money. This massive change directly increases the overall demand for money in Binder. In the money market, a rightward shift in the demand curve creates upward pressure. Since the money supply remains constant, the price of holding money must rise to reach equilibrium. Because inflationary expectations are stable, this higher demand forces the nominal interest rates to climb. That makes option D our final winner for this problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps.